How to manifest financial breakthrough and open doors with sand and salt. This assignment is a very powerful one that when you do it with your heart, you will see results. Open your right palm, pick some sands from the ground, place it on your right palm and wait a little bit. Visualize your wealth, your financial favor, your financial open doors. Do you walk and have no result? You walk like an elephant and eat like an ant. Everything you do, nothing work for you. You are not a lazy person, you are a hustler, but yet nothing good come out of it. This assignment is for you. After adding the sand, add the salt and mix them together. After mixing the salt together, use your left hand and cover it. That is, close it together and wait for some seconds. As you are waiting, you are praying. As this sand from the earth mix with salt, from today, I command you earth, you ground, to vomit what belongs to me, to vomit all my good things, good fortunes in life. Vomit everything good that God has made for me. Whatever that is delaying my financial breakthrough, my financial open doors, from today, I put an end to you. You pray every desires of you, every of your heart desires. You pray it. After praying, as you're praying, you are closing your eyes and visualizing it coming to pass. After it, fold your hands, remove the left hand, fold the right hand with the item, and rotate it anti-clockwise on your head 3 times. Then go out and throw it away. Do this for 3 days. You can do it anytime, morning, afternoon, and night. Do it for 3 days and see wonders. This assignment is very good for all the elements, but most especially earth and water elements. When you do this, you will see wonders, favor, financial breakthrough, good luck from here and there. Please don't forget to share your testimony when you